When it comes to repairs, what makes Dodge different? Number one, our repairmen are the best trained in the business. They are true professionals, and all they do is repair garage doors and openers. We do it right the first time. Number two, we are available 24/7, 365 days a year, and in most cases will be at your place the same day. And finally, if you want to protect your pocketbook, listen to this. Number three, Dodge is different because we do not pay our repairmen commission. Their income does not depend on how much they can sell you when they get out to the job. Our repairmen fix only what needs fixing.